Article 22. Article 22 says protection. Protection of human beings who are arrested or detained. Detention. Article 22 says protection of human beings who are arrested, detention. In certain cases, such kind of person's protection as told in Article 22. A person who is arrested, the person should be informed before the arrest. If there is no such kind of arrest information, that to be considered on the grounds of law. Some laws provided for the protection of arrested person, detention person. Article 22, some grounds to protect the arrested person. Detention of grounds are legally they have rights to go to the court and defend himself from the arrest, from that detention. Article 22 2. A person who is arrested, such kind of persons who are detained also, such kind of persons should be produced before the nearest magistrate. Within the 24 hours, excluding the journey time from the point of the arrest, from that place to the magistrate, there are 24 hours excluding the time of the journey. Within that period, the person, arrested person, should be produced before the nearest magistrate. So, if custody magistrate gives the authority to the certain policers, policers takes authority after a magistrate's order, the person should be kept in the custody after producing the magistrate. Article 22 3 says like this way: there are some provisions add to the Article 22 1 and 22 2. Such kind of provisions are option 1. Subclass 1 says any person who for the time being is an enemy ally. If there is any kind of foreign persons, such kind of foreign persons may considered as any kind of harm. No, or any kind of rules and regulations followed in Article 22 and Article 28 2. Foreign ally, that means terrorists, militants, such kind of persons harm should be considered. Policers would not think about Article 22 1 and Article 22 2. here they should be arrested. Article 22(3), subclass B says preventive detention. A person is arrested preventively in any kind of orders or any kind of rules and regulations. Article 22(4) says there is no any kind of provision in the constitution, any kind of laws of the preventive detention. Preventive detention longer period than 3 months. Longer period than 3 months. So provisions, any kinds of rules and regulations, constitution would not accept more than 3 months for any kind of laws are not provided more than 3 months longer period. Such kind of a person's arrest would not be considered with the constitution, any law, any rules and regulations in the constitution, so that there is no any kind of provisions arrested person. And Article 22(5) says a kind of detention there is. What kind of arrest there is? Such kind of arrest and a detentive person communicate as soon as possible who are made laws, either authorities or the governments. Such kind of rules and regulations should be informed, communicate immediately as soon as possible to the arrested person, detentive person. Such kind of provision is there in Article 22(5). And Article 22(6) says like the authorities made any laws, such kind of rules and regulations, such kind of orders should be disclosed facts to the arrested persons by the authorities. Authorities should disclose the facts of the rules and regulations and the orders of the authorities, orders of the governments. If there is some social, if there is any kind of situations, authorities considers against the public interest. Public interest is different there. According to the public interest, 22(6)(5), either we have to communicate the orders to the convicted person or a detentive person, arrested persons. Such kind of orders should be depend on the public interest. Public interest, according to the public interest, authorities should disclose the facts of the orders and to the certain person who are detained. Facts should be disclosed here.